people of Onitsha main market wey be say Soludo go local, they say everywhere don jagada. They don't provoke, cause start dey sing many songs put for the matter. But information where they come there and I be say some gunmen don dey exchange gun with the security men wey dey for ground. Who get play some video show una. Even some carry blackers, write something, put inside, they shout, holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Why some they say, make Soludo do not tamper that Monday sit at home at all. Say that they enjoy them very well. My people will go play you the videos, may you watch the situation waiting for inside Onitsha main market, international main market, waiting for Anambra State, where Soludo be the governor. Stay tuned and watch the full video and share this video.
Life at Iweka Road. Ndị ahịa na-eme protest in Onitsha. Akpụchego ụzọ population akarịgo. Obi adịghị ka esi mma. Obi adịghị ime esi mma. Agbajigo main market, guys akpụjigo main road. Enweghị ebe a na-eje. Iwe dị. Happy people protest, yeah. Oi. Life in Onitsha, main market. Life in Onitsha, main market. Life, lie out, life, guys. Biafra kageso. Asa, Biafra. Asa, but they hot, they burn. Guys, no be smart, no be smart, Biafra kageso.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. This is not the situation we dey for inside Anambra. And I will say more bring a conscience to the more I know how it they go. I beg make you share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Anambra, you know say as I go Washington. Na at the shot I go Washington na so it be. So Soludo go just there. I don't know who advise him this advice. Say may go lock a whole market because they sit at home. Now their own form of protest. If they come out that Monday to protest, it will say they are disrupting the public. And I go shoot them and I go buy for some people joy. So the people willingly sit at home in protest of the injustice where they do Mazin and the Carlo. And now I don't turn to another crime, maybe they come aside by force. Things are really happening. What a funny country. However, I'm gonna share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.